In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to subscribe to real-time data on TradingView step-by-step, 2025. If you've ever noticed your charts lagging by about 15 minutes, that's because many exchanges provide delayed feeds by default. Subscribing to real-time market data gives you up-to-the-second prices, which is crucial for accurate entries, exits, and alerts. Start by opening TradingView and logging into your account. You can use the website on a browser or the desktop app. The process is the same. Once you're in, head to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This is your avatar, and it opens a menu with your account controls. From that drop-down, select Settings. Think of Settings as your central hub for anything related to billing, preferences, and data permissions. Inside Settings, look to the left sidebar and click Subscriptions. This is where you manage your plan and add-ons. Now scroll down until you see the Real-Time Market Data section. You'll notice it's organized by exchange and asset class so you can choose exactly what you need instead of paying for a broad bundle you might not use. Click Explore now. This opens the catalog of available exchanges and feeds. Here, choose the exchange or asset type you want real-time data for, like NASDAQ, NYSE, or crypto. A quick tip: stock exchanges often require separate subscriptions per exchange, and some have different pricing depending on whether you're considered a professional or non-professional trader. Make sure the selection matches the symbols you trade most often to get the best value. Follow the prompts to subscribe and complete the payment if required. TradingView will guide you through confirming your account details, agreeing to exchange policies, and selecting billing options. You may see brief verification questions mandated by the exchanges. Answer those accurately to avoid interruptions. Payment typically activates access quickly, but it can take a few minutes for some exchanges to provision your entitlement. Once your subscription is active, your charts will automatically update with real-time market data for the exchange you selected. Open a symbol from that exchange and watch the price update tick by tick. If you still see delays, double-check that you're viewing a symbol from the subscribed exchange and refresh the chart if needed. Also remember that each exchange is separate. If you trade across multiple markets, you'll want to subscribe to each one you use. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.